So Bitcoin has wiped out all the gains made earlier this year as an initial enthusiasm around the pro-crypto stance of the Trump administration fades. The current sell-off is driven by a combination of profit-taking from the long-term holders, institutional outflows, macroeconomic uncertainty, and the unwinding of the leverage long position. That's what the analysts believe. And over the weekend, Bitcoin price fell below the $93,714 levels before recovering slightly to trade close to around $94,900 levels. So key factors driving the downturn first is the crypto ETFs that have seen major outflows. And speaking about Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a $1.1 billion in the net outflows last week, while the Ethereum ETFs witnessed $728 million leave the market. Interestingly, the Stake Solana ETF registered an inflow of about $382 million since its inception. One of the second biggest concern in the market is the stock price of Strategy. Michael Saylor's Strategy, once seen as the poster child for the corporate Bitcoin adoption, is now facing serious challenges. Its stock has fallen to nearly the same value as its Bitcoin holding, meaning its MNAV has dropped from the near all-time highs to below 1, which is actually, think of a stable coin losing its peg and falling below the $1 level if it is pegged to the US dollar. So this signals the investors are no longer willing to pay a premium for Saylor's high conviction leveraged Bitcoin model. And with Bitcoin is down 20%, MSTR stock has dropped by 50% from its peak. And the market-wide fear is under a liquidation. That is the third topic which we are going to discuss. So extreme fear has gripped the market, erasing 1.1 trillion in the value over just 41 days. And this fear has triggered widespread liquidations, forcing many traders out of their positions. In the past 24 hours, $620 million in the positions were liquidated, impacting over 152,000 traders. So Bitcoin itself has lost nearly 25% from its October high of 126,000 levels, marking one of the sharpest corrections of this year. So altcoins that have hit hard, the downturn has not been limited to Bitcoin itself. So major altcoins have suffered heavy losses. Speaking about Ethereum, slipped to $3,182 level, which is down 1% on the day and 12% over the week. EdgeBar, Near Protocol, Aave, ENA, ARB and SUI all are down by 20% this week itself. In the last 7 days, Solana sold, Link, XLM, Chronos, Tau, Trump and ADA have lost between 13 to 16% in the past week. XRP, BNB, Doge, Hype, Litecoin, Shiba Inu and Sky are down by 8 to 10%. Speaking about the global crypto market cap now stands at $3.23 trillion, reflecting a 1.1% decline in just one day. So going forward, with the Trump bracing a massive 500% tariff on the countries trading with Russia, analysts warn the geopolitical tension could lead to even more volatility in the markets going forward. The proposed tariff could spark panic selling if implemented, further amplifying the downturn. So, the market is bracing for the possibility that the Federal Reserve may pause interest rates cut in December, especially as the policymakers await fresh economic data. Until then, trading activity is expected to remain subdued unless a major catalyst emerges to shift sentiments. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. Keep watching 3.TV. Thank you.